Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. I'm sharing a party kit that I made. I had so much fun doing this, so I just wanted to just share it with you and give you guys some inspiration, hopefully. It's a dragon themed party kit, and all the images are directly from Cricut Design Space. This, I don't know if they want to make it a cake topper, if they're having a cake, or maybe a door decoration of some sort. In Cricut Design Space, you're limited as the size. So I maxed this out at 8.1 with the width and 6.234 with the height. I can actually make this a little bit bigger. Let's see how, I think it's 6.25 is the highest that it can be for the height. Now this is going to print out sideways. Let me go ahead and go into the Make It and show it to you. If I were using the Silhouette software, I could design it to be larger if I'm using my Canon Pixma. My Canon Pixma has the ability to use 12 by 12 paper. I'll do a video on that some other time, but that's what it's going to look like. It's pretty big, so it's good. I'm going to cancel that. This is the Cupcake Topper. So I used the same dragon, and I reduced it to 2.5 by 2, and then I created an offset. Right up here is the offset. When I put it together, I used just regular glue, and I put a dowel in there, tiny little dowel. You can use a toothpick, and then I glued that on top. Created the invitation, and this is all flattened, so it's going to print out all one piece. You don't have to put your little layers together or anything like that. This is the thank you card. This is the banner. So I did happy birthday, which I don't have it all up here on my screen. This image here is from Shapes. And how much do I love that you have all these shapes now? Isn't that amazing? I love it. I haven't used all of them yet, but I'll get to it. Then I'm going to go ahead. I created a circle myself and did a slice feature to make that circle there. And I'm going to put that H right on there. Now I have created the banner, and it's hanging behind me on my wall. So I took a picture of it. So I'm going to put all of this on my blog, and you guys can look at what it looks like hanging up. It turned out really good. I used brown ribbon, which can be very costly, but I didn't have anything else on hand. So I went ahead and used the ribbon. I can't think of anything else I wanted to say at this part of the video. If you have any questions or comments at this point, do that. I can do a tutorial on how I created all this too, if you want to see how that's done. Let's go on over to the craft table, and I'm going to explain the different types of paper that I think look better. Now, just I'm going to confess here, I printed everything out on Kodak Photo glossy paper because I wanted the colors to be really, really bright. Then it came to me that brochure paper would work really well as well. So I pulled out my brochure paper. Regular cardstock didn't do so good. It was just very flat and the colors weren't very vibrant. And I'll show that to you as well. All right, let's go over to the craft table and I'll show everything that I did. Alrighty, so here are all the pieces. I did come to a decision that I think I'm going to go ahead and put cupcake wrappers in there as well. Cricut Design Space has these adorable images that you cut out, and you can actually put the cupcake in there. So when I'm all done with this, I'm going to go ahead and put the kit together, take some pictures, and I'll put it on my blog, and you can see what I'm talking about as far as the cupcake wrappers. Okay, so this is the difference, if you can even tell, between the the brochure paper or the photo paper. Now the photo paper is more expensive if you're going to do one of these kits. You want to be smart about how much you're going to charge for it. Okay, so you can't even tell. I mean, in my eyes, I cannot see the difference. This here is the glare from the light, so let's pull that up a little bit. The only difference here is that it's glossy, but as far as the colors being vibrant, they're exactly the same to me. So I'm super excited about that. This is the layers that I was talking about. It's super cute, but I didn't put it together correctly, so I wouldn't use that, but I'm gonna save that because I like it. This is that back part of the cupcake topper, just like this. So I just glued that right onto this. Just a little side note, when you cut these out, make sure that you put it on the right way, like that. Ask me how I know that. So those are all the cupcake toppers, and then this is the big guy. This is again on brochure paper, and I'm probably going to put a backing on this as well because it's kind of flimsy. And you know, like I said, there's an option of just having this be like door decoration, or you know, make it into a cupcake topper, whatever they would like to do. So I'm on board with the brochure paper. Here's the dowels that I was telling you about. I got these at Michael's. Toothpicks work fine, as I said. All right, I think that's it. Thank you so much, everybody, stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, do it in the comments section, along with what I talked about in the previous part of the video, and I'll see if I can help you out. All right, have a great day.